reason for our actual video today is to introduce the newest product in the casing compass line, and it's the Micro. The Micro is a version that we came up with from our customers calling us and asking us, is there any way that we could get the height of it down? Is there any way that we could eliminate the water elements of the unit? Because they have certain bores or certain trenchless applications where line isn't that important or elevation isn't that important. And so we removed the water pipe and internal tubing from this head, and this thing gives you pitch and roll of your casings with a reduced profile. So one of the reasons that we've developed the Casing Compass Micro is we got a lot of feedback from our customers talking about the overall height of the casing compass, and so we wanted to develop something that they didn't have the water level ability and the line check ability, but they still got the pitch and the roll with an overall smaller footprint on top of the casing. The Casing Compass Micro measures 1.1 inches tall instead of the traditional casing compass, which is 1.35 inches tall. We feel, and the way the industry has talked, this is going to be very popular in the tunneling industry for welding up inside the tunnel heads to be able to track both in front of and behind the pivot joint, and knucklehead applications where they can put the smaller sensor in front of the knucklehead and the bigger sensor with the water elevation behind the water level head, and also for pipe ramming where they don't care so much about line, but they do they want to make sure that grade isn't getting too bad or is good. And also, more specifically in the pipe ramming realm, would be the conductor barrels. Contractors were making phone calls to us about being able to put a sensor on a conductor barrel, be able to tell what the overall tilt of the conductor barrel was so that they could match the engineering for the directional drill companies without having to wait until the casings were cleaned out. For those trenchless contractors that have any questions about the PLG line of products, the Casing Compass or the Casing Compass Micro, be sure and hit us up on our website. The website address will be below. We also have a couple different forms of social media. We have Instagram and LinkedIn. You can just search for us. And then if you guys really want to stay up to date on our latest and greatest technologies, which we have a couple other things coming out in the future, you can follow us on YouTube and give us a like and a follow. We'd really appreciate it.